Hello my friends, my name is Mohammed Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you Eraser Tool, Background Eraser Tool and Magic Eraser Tool in Adobe PhotoShop. First we will learn Eraser Tool. So what is the work of Eraser Tool? Let's see. So what I do first I will come in the toolbox of Adobe Photoshop and then I will click on Eraser Tool. As I click, as you can see that now my cursor has been changed, and let's say if I want to erase anything, so what I do, I will just simply click and definitely I will move my cursor, getting me, and mouse definitely. So you can see that now I am able to erase anything and I am erasing, getting me. So let's say if you want to remove or if you want to erase anything, so with the help of Eraser Tool you can do, getting me. And if I come here, so definitely I have some options of Eraser Tool. So let's see the options of Eraser Tool. So if I click on it, so definitely it will give me definitely the options. The first is basically size, means the size of the circle. Let's say if you want to change the size of the circle, you can also do. If you just simply click, as you can see that now I have big, getting me. So let's say if I want to change the size of the circle, I can also do. If I want to change the hardness of the circle, I can also change the hardness of the circle. Okay. And let's say if I want to change anything, for example, if I say that if I want to change the brush style, so definitely I can also do. For example, this time if I say I want this brush, so as you can see that now I have this, and if I remove, as you can see that now I have this, getting me. So if you want to get the brush style, so you can also getting me. So definitely I will go for default, getting me is fine. And if you want to get any style, you can also getting me. And as you can see that right now I have some style, but if you want to get more, so how can you get more? If you click on this gear, so definitely it will give you this list. So go in list. For example, if I say that I need this brushes, okay, so definitely I will click on it and I will click on append, and if I come here, as you can see that now I have some more, getting me. So let's say if I want to get more brushes, so what I do first, I will click on this you can say gear, and then I will get the brushes, getting me. So if you want any brush, just simply click on it, and if you say append, so means it will come here, getting me. And if I click on OK, so you can see that now I have, getting me, I have new brushes, getting me. So definitely with the help of this this gear, definitely you can get you can get any brush style you want, getting me. Then what do we have next? We have mood. For example, as right now, as you can see that now I have brush, but let's say if I want to get pencil, I can also get the pencil, and if I want to get the block, I can also get the block. So what is block? If I click on block, so as you can see that now I don't have any circle, I don't have any brush, now I have this block, getting me. So if I want to get the block, so what I do, I will click on mode and definitely I will get the block. But definitely I will click on brush, so definitely I will get more options. So definitely if I come here, so definitely I will also get the option of opacity. So what is opacity? Means the visibility. Let's say if I say that 10%, and if I try to move or remove, as you can see that now I'm not getting you can say proper, getting me. But let's say if I want to remove with 100%, so if I say 100%, now I will, as you can see that now I'm removing, getting me. So if you say 0%, 10%, so you can also getting me. So it will affect on your definitely the visibility, getting me. As you can see that now I'm removing properly, but let's say if I say 50% or 10%, as you can see that something is remaining, getting me, it's not removed properly, getting me. We have getting me something, getting me. So if you say 100%, it will remove everything, getting me. Definitely flow is basically about definitely how much flow do you want. If you say that 0% flow, so you can see that now I'm not able to remove it properly, but let's say if I say 100%, so I will able to move it properly, getting me. And then we have the very important option called erase to history. So what basically erase to history is, if I click on it, so if I move, and definitely if I move my cursor, so I will get my picture back, getting me. So here what we are seeing to Photoshop, the Photoshop, whatever we have erased, we want back, getting me. So if I check this and if I use eraser tool, so definitely this time what it will do, it will give us back, getting me. Before, if I uncheck it, so it will remove. But let's say if I want to get back, so I will click on erase to history, and then I will get my picture back, getting me. So this is the work of erase to history, getting me. Then we have the second tool, that is background eraser tool. Definitely, as the name implies, definitely it will remove the background. So what I do, I will just simply click on background eraser and I will get the options. So the first option is definitely the size of the snip, getting me. So if you want to change the size of the circle, you can also change. If you want to change the hardness, you can also change. And what is spacing? Spacing is very important. Let's say if I say here 1% spacing, so if I move, as you can see that now I have just 1% spacing. But in this time, if I say that okay, 50%, 29%, so as you can see that now I'm getting space. And if I say for example 25%, getting me. So as you can see that now I'm getting space, getting me. I'm getting this dot space, tuck tuck tuck, getting me. So if I say that, as you can see that now I'm getting space, getting me. So the space, getting me. So if I say that 100% or 10%, as you can see that now I'm getting space, getting me. So if I click, as you can see that now I'm getting space. So basically the space between this, for because as you know that this is our circle, because this is our definitely a brush. So this is the brush, okay. So if I click, so what it do, definitely it will get the space, getting me. As you can see that now I'm getting space, getting me. As you can see that now I'm getting space. So this is the space, means the space and the space again, getting me. As you can see that now I'm getting space, getting me. So this is the work of space. And if I keep it 0 or 1, so that will not get any space, getting me. So it will look that as if that they all are 1, getting me. Then we have the angle. Let's say if I want to change the angle of this, I can also change the round end, I can also change. And if I don't know that how to use this, what I do, I just simply click this on it, and definitely I will move my cursor, and I can also get the roundness and the angle here, getting me. So if I don't want to give any angle here, if I don't want to give any percentage roundness, so definitely I will click on it, and I can definitely change the roundness angle of my definitely this brush, getting me. Then we have the most important, definitely these are the sample continuous and sample ones, getting me. So what basically sample continuous is, what I do, I will do Control Z, and definitely I will get the original picture. I will try to get the original picture, and let's say it's fine. And if I click on continuous, okay, first I should first I teach you once, okay. So what basically continuous once. So if I just simply click, and if I try to move this, getting me, remove this, as you can see that now I'm not able to remove this flower, because I'm saying to Photoshop, okay Photoshop, you can say sample it once, getting me. So what do we do in the simple word, that if I click, so what I do, that Adobe Photoshop will get the color, will get this color, getting me, and will only remove this color. If I try to remove any other color, it will not allow me, getting me. As you can see that now it's not allowing me to remove the flower color, getting me. As you can see that I'm going over, but definitely it's not allowing me to remove, getting me. So this is the work of sampling once. But if I say continuous, so what it will do, it will remove everything. If I click, and if I try to remove this flower, I can also do, getting me. So continuous sampling means that if I click, it will get the color of this, but if I come here, so it will also get the color of this flower as getting me. So let's say if you just want to just remove one color, so what you need to do, you need to just simply click on this for once, and if I click, it will just get this color, and it will only remove this color. If I go near, if I try to remove the color of flower, I will not able to do this, getting me. Then we have the option, definitely swatches. So if I come here, and if I over it, so sampling background swatch. So what basically sampling background swatch is, so I will do Control Z, and I have tried to get my picture, and I will come here, and I will click on eyedropper tool, and I will take this color, getting me, and I will keep it in background. And if I go in definitely background eraser, and if I click on this last, and if I try to remove this, I am able to remove this, getting me. But what is the difference between this sampling once and this? The difference is that if we talk about this sampling background, so whatever means the color, means whatever the color will be in the background, it will remove just that color. As you can see there in the background, we have right a blue color, so it will just remove this blue color. It will not touch this yellow color, getting me. So if I just come here, so it will just remove this, it will just remove background color, getting me. So whatever the color will be at the background, it will remove that color, getting me. So this is the work of this, getting me, sampling background. Then we have the fine edges. So what basically fine edges is, if I just try to remove anything, so as you can see that now I should do zoom in little bit. So as you can see that now I'm getting properly. As you can see that now is coming to edges, getting me. So if I say fine edges, so it will take care of this edges, getting me, the edges, getting me. So definitely this is the work of fine edges. And if I say continuous, definitely it will remove properly, getting me. Then the last, what do we have? We have tolerance. So what basically tolerance is? Tolerance is very similar to opacity. Means in easy way we can say that, let's say if I say 0%, and if I try to remove, definitely I'm not able to do this, getting me. So if I say 100%, that as you can see that now I'm able to move, getting me. So definitely this is the power, means here we have given power. If you say 100%, so definitely it will remove it properly, getting me. Last, what do we have? We have protect back foreground color. Before it was background color, now it is time it is foreground color. Definitely this is the background color, and if I click, definitely now the foreground color will come. And what it will do, that it will protect foreground color, means the color which will be at the foreground, it will not remove that color. Getting me? As you can see, the foreground, it has just this blue color. So if I try to remove this, as you can see that now I'm not able to remove this color. I'm not able to erase this color. Why? Because here I'm saying then protect foreground color. So what if we do, that if it get the foreground color, same here, that as you can see, the blue is here, blue color is here, and blue color. Getting me? So definitely what it will do, that if we get the foreground color same here, so definitely it will not remove that color. Getting me? So definitely as you can see that right now we have blue, and for foreground we have blue, so definitely it will not remove foreground color. Getting me? So if I try to definitely remove anything, so definitely I'm not able to do this. Getting me? Why? Because definitely it is protecting this different foreground color. Getting me? As you can see that now able to properly remove this color, but not this. Getting me? So this is the work of this. Getting me? So protect foreground color means it will protect foreground color. Getting me? Then the last, what do we have? We have Magic Eraser Tool. It is very easy and very useful. So what I do first I will zoom, or you can Control Alt Z to get my picture back. And definitely, okay, or I should take a new picture. Now we should learn definitely Magic Eraser Tool. Now I've got the picture. So what is the work of Magic Eraser Tool? What it does, that it removes similar color, means as you can see that the background, definitely it has just blue color. So if I click it, what it will do, that it will remove definitely the same color. So if I say opacity 100%, and if I click again, as you can see that it remove all the color. Getting me? So what it will do, that it will select, or it will get, or it will remove all similar color. Getting me? So you don't need to take the take attention of any color. Getting me? What it does, definitely Magic Eraser Tool, what it does, that it selects definitely or in easy word we can say that it removes similar color. If I click, so definitely it will just remove the blue color. Why? It did not delete yellow color. Definitely it's totally different from blue. Getting me? So let's say if you want to delete any similar color, if I click, so as you can see that now I don't have flower. Getting me? So definitely it's not removing. Definitely if I go back, if I do Control Z, so definitely if I click, so it will not remove this color. Why? Because this color is totally different from this color. Getting me? So let's say if you want to delete any background, or if you want to just delete the same color, definitely with the help of Magic Eraser Tool you can do. Getting me? Here we have the option tolerance, means the power. Definitely if you say 100%, so that it will give it will do properly. Anti-alias, what is anti-alias? If I do Control Z, and if I double click, and if I click, so definitely if I do zoom in, so definitely you can see that here we have proper defined edges. Getting me? But if I uncheck this, if I do Control Z, in this time if I take the help of Magic Eraser Tool, as you can see that now we don't have proper. Getting me? As you can see, something is coming. Getting me? We are not getting defined edges. Getting me? But let's say if I want to get the defined edges, what I do, I will just simply check this anti-alias, and if I click, as you can see that now I have proper edges. Getting me? So definitely this is the work of this. Getting me? Last, what do we have? We have the opacity. If I change the opacity, so definitely it will erase according to opacity. Getting me? So if I say 100%, definitely I will not get any background. But let's say if I say 40%, 34%, and if I do Control Z, and if I get the background, and if I click, as you can see, something's coming. It's not removed properly. Getting me? But if I want to remove it properly, I will say 100%. At this time if I click, as you can see that now I'm just getting the proper background. Getting me? No, I'm not getting any color. Getting me? So this is the work of opacity. Getting me? So definitely what have we learned in this lecture? We have learned Eraser Tool, Background Eraser Tool, and Magic Eraser Tool in Adobe PhotoShop. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedpress.com. Allah fi aman Allah, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.